Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Please like my video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Today we're going to be talking about Bri, the famous TikToker. She got violated at a party last night by two grown men. Thumped the girl in her face because she tell one of them if suck them mama. You get me? And me I be honest, enough people not gonna like me I say. But enough man tell them two boys that play the sound if suck them mama pussy. And they never yet running on the man them yet. So let me check in the video. The Bri have to say. That is just a first piece of the video, viewers and subscribers. I want to see how our face look, people. Be honest. Come on, ladies. Ladies out there. Ladies out there. Yes, some of you might be keep quiet. Some of you might be like argue with man. Some of you, yes, uno go out there and no mix up. But remember, what happened to she, ladies, can happen to uno ladies. You get me? I say, tell me if I'm wrong for me, I say no ladies, because remember, man, and then the selector the yes, same man play the hot song, them a dance all phone wine up, yes, and then after that, them try to look on and then when them look on then get to know, and at that, you for expect from them when you go them yard. You get me? Them a beat on the face, punch up on the face, because guess what? You are punching back to some of the man them a Jamaica, because some of the man them a Jamaica, they don't have the energy to punch a man in them face as quick as how them have the strength to punch a woman in them face. Leave it in the comment section if I lie me. I tell people. I swear, me will check in the next video. You see me? Because Bri, I explain a lot to the people. You get me?
Punch me in my eyes, bro. I'm doing it's nothing, you feel me? Taxi! Taxi down the road! Yo, taxi! Just get mad about someone, yeah, bro. I'm gonna need to go to that place and I'm gonna kill me, sorry. Yo, down the road! They're not gonna stop face while I'm party, you feel me? Yo, down the road! The board.
Viewers and subscribers, I'm gonna be honest to you, where God love. You see me? We don't know this girl. You get me? I don't know this girl. I don't know what people have against her. I don't know if she even write it in her head. You get me? Me not lie until I don't know if she even write it in her head. You see me? You don't know me I talk. I mean not disrespect her. You see me? To my eyesight, I don't think this girl have any friend. You see me? To me, her friend them run her fake. You get me? And I hope she have some family. We can go find them two selector boy there and make them know, say, brother, the girl tell them if you suck on the mama, she never put her hand on Uno none at all. So Uno should never put on her hand on the girl and do your girl face like that, brother. You see me? A long time before me even born, until now it's still a go on. People can tell, say some Uno boy that Jamaica and a woman beat a pussy. You see me? If Uno can't fight a man because Uno not strong enough to fight a man. You see me? One man punch a girl in her face. The next man I go kick her foot when she dip on the ground already lie down. If you look in the slippers and socks, in the yellow pants, him kick her foot like you must say, go dirty girl. You get me? If you not rate the girl, brother, just push the girl off a stage, yes, but not bumbuckle and beat the girl like a man in her date, brother. You see me? Cause a long time now, I don't see a man and a man a fight like how me see this a man a punch up the girl face like, brother. Some of the boy, brother, no want man soon and just mashing up and then you wonder what you do for man mashing up, brother, and then you realize, brother. Me not say she right for tell the man for suck his mother, but a free her, brother. Woman can't say anything with her mouth. Woman's strongest and powerful thing is her mouth, brother. You get me? And we all know that as Jamaicans. So why them, the two boy there, have to treat the girl, so? Not because she might be disrespectful to a lot of people. I'm not even, I don't like what I go on no viewers and subscribers. So you can leave in the comment section what you think about this situation. You see me? Because I know enough people not going to like what I say. And it's not about what me I say. You see me? It's where you think is right. Because remember, it can happen to anyone I know, and anyone I know sister, anyone I know mother, and anyone I know auntie. Not because I Brie and she a TikToker and she always a creator fuck up on YouTube and them things. You see me? Her on TikTok. Give the girl a chance to breed. That time she had a friend at the party that could have come hold on pan her and take her off of the two selector boy them, woman beater them. You see me? Because I'm one beater in the people. I'm gonna put my mother going and talk. You know? Yeah, man. So until the next one, people, I'm out. Just leave your comment in the comment section. Blessings to everyone.